Get the fuck off. Get the fuck off. Let's go.
Tom's getting back in here now. Okay, Tom is in the driving seat. Who knows what's gonna happen?
Leave the squeak. Okay.
Are we gonna live?
Very slowly, slowly, slowly. Now we go now. Oh shit. This is the fucking second time I drove this shit. It's crazy.
Take these off?
Yeah, take it off.
Is that a backfire?
So
Yes,
why did the back have it burnt?
Easy, brother. Freak. Go back to and how's it? Crazy, right?
Okay, go home now. What is that? Whoa!
I know. It's a fucking genius.
That's a good one.
Manual transfer is the best, brother.
I should have got my car manual transfer. It's the video is a little bit shaky.
Don't worry.
Oh my god, that's funny. Tom, how do you feel about this car?
This car is fucking, I love it. Only
some guy
$20,000.
Yeah?
Yeah, only $20,000.
What year is this? 2018?
2018.
What's it called? JCW?
Drawing Cooper work.